Alright, language explorers. Let's look at today's Thursday adverb. Extremely. Yeah, extremely. To a high degree. Yeah. I don't want to speak extremely fast. Yeah, he might run extremely slow. They walked extremely high up the mountain. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, definitely. So that was extremely fast. These were built extremely easily. Yeah, built extremely easily. Yeah, easily. So I am extremely disciplined. Yeah. Yeah. I know what I want to achieve. Yeah. She is extremely smart. Wow. He is extremely strong. Yes. How cool is that? They are extremely patient. They all are extremely patient, just waiting. It is extremely useful. Yeah, I am amazed. This machine is extremely good. It is extremely powerful. Yeah, it is not extremely good. It is old and slow. Old and slow. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So he went there extremely quick. Yeah. We walked up it extremely easily. Yeah. How cool is that? By training like that, he'll be an extremely skilled athlete. Yeah. So I drove around Scotland extremely easily and quickly. Yeah, how cool is that? Easily. So we'll need to spend an extremely large amount of money. Oh, this is extremely expensive. Extremely expensive. That was extremely cheap. That was extremely cheap. How much did you buy? How much did you buy? Yeah. Yeah, very good. So he climbed up the mountain extremely fast. Extremely fast. Extremely slow. Extremely easy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, very good. So, can you write extremely in a sentence? Can you use it in the comments below? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.